Why are you telling him to cry? You stupid. Stinky. Here's your friend, Stinky.
Good morning.
Good morning. Here's your friend.
Zayden?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Good morning. No, don't do your face like this. I know. Nobody likes to let the mom come. Come, baby. Come. Okay. Look, I give you a toy. You like it? Oh, come. If you come to me, I do. Oh.
Oh, Stinky. Oh, he's holding on to his Moon, maybe if you sit down for a little while. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, you want me? Oh, okay.
Look. Oh.
All right, let's leave. Bye-bye, Stinky. Bye-bye.